Nigeria, this last election, at least I'm expressing the election since time of Shagari and UP and NPN, time of Shagari and Awolowo. But I've never seen election like this since they have been voting in Nigeria. This time around, this one is open to everybody that vote was not counted. And this is eyewitness. You can see that when they announce election, there's no jubilation anywhere. Even though the people, the party themselves, APC, they are not even nowhere they jubilate that they won. Nowhere they celebrate that they won. Only that one have signified because the conscience is there. No one vote. There's no any good Nigeria will come out and cast their vote for APC. It's not possible. So the person that win the election, they totally rob him and put him in the whole Nigeria, the whole youth, everybody come out to cast their vote. So that we are tired of all these elderly old men. Let the young man come and roll. But he was totally robbed. And this time around, anybody when you talk too much, you will see on no government. Who are the no government? I'm not saying a government too. If you put Gina, you know.
Sir, so who do you think is the winner of the election, sir?
The winner of the election? It's an open saying. The whole Nigeria came out. I've said it. Or is it till I mention him? Until the whole Nigeria came out, I said Nigeria are tired of the old men.
That question is very real. You understand?
So I don't want to.
Everybody knew that Peter Obi is the winner. Everybody knows Peter Obi is the winner. You understand me? Everybody, even small pikin, knows yes. So Peter Obi is the winner for that past election, that February 25. You understand? For now to tell us yes, so now another person. I'm a Yoruba by my tribe. You understand me? People, the whole world, the whole this federation, we fought for Peter Obi, and the whole world, everyone self knows say yes. So it's Peter Obi that he win. Why they come bring the resource say yes, so another person win? That's the problem.